Man, I don't know when we're going to add something about drilling or crude oil to the Canadian national anthem, because the national identity is a little too wrapped up in oil. Like, it's just, you cannot imagine that what I'm talking about is statistics. And literally, this market is not as lucrative as the entire nation has convinced itself it is. Let me show you. This is the chart of your beloved national treasure. Let's say it's at $60. I don't know why it crops it out, man. Okay, go check oil prices. $66 per barrel today. It peaked not a few years ago. It peaked all the way back in bloody 2008 at $140. Name me one thing, anything, Starbucks coffee, pizza at Pizza Hut, that's cheaper today per unit than it was in 2000. All right. Now, when this happens, all right, what you have to do, if you're trying to make revenue from this commodity, you need to increase production to make the same amount of revenue. Inflation adjusted, you need to boost it up a lot, which Canada has done. The problem is, so has the rest of the world. While people like Canada and Canada's increasing production, Russia's increasing production to fund the war in Ukraine. Meanwhile, some countries are discovering oil. Guyana discovered so much oil that the GDP is up 66% over last year and is predicted to be up 100% this year. 100% GDP growth because they discovered a lot of oil. They're going to be one of the biggest producers in the world, and they are going to rush out to produce as much as possible because they've never seen revenue like this before, right? So OPEC might be cutting, but Russia's increasing, Canada's increasing, Guyana's discovered they want to increase. And the biggest story of all is the US is increasing. The biggest importer in the world is also the biggest exporter in the world right now. Meanwhile, demand is going to grow very slowly. For all the countries that are still growing in population and economic power, there are just as large countries that are slowing down. China's slowdown is offset by India's growth. Really think about that. India is still growing, the population is still growing, the economy is still growing, but China's population is declining and their economic power is declining. Go back, look a couple of years, and what that's doing is anemic growth for oil, which is why even Exxon has the most bullish forecast, by the way. And they say by 2050, oil demand will match today, not grow by today, match today. And they are 25% over the other big oil producer, BP. Like, even these guys know that it's going to be that's 0% growth for nearly 25 years? 25 years of 0% growth. Today's demand the same as 2050. Meanwhile, I just showed you everyone's boosting up, taking away market share by boosting production. So this is a business that you want to bet the future of your country on. It's not going to work out.